Well, hello to all my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Here's what I'm doing today. We got another Amazon unboxing for you today, basically. Can anybody guess what is in this weird shaped packaging box, should I say? But basically, it's to do with computer parts, basically for one of my desktop computers and the other desktop computer as well. But before we open it, can anybody guess what's inside of it? I think it's some awesome stuff. I think we need to take a look at what's in this shipping box. And let's go ahead and have some awesome fun. Let's go. Before I open this box right here, let me just explain. I ordered this not too long ago. Basically, I am using my own paycheck money to buy computer parts and stuff, but that's perfectly fine. But let's go ahead and find a way, crack it open. Pull tab. See what we get. Alright, looks like we have a kit, basically. It says wires and stuff. For some things, and of course the adapter. Awesome. Alright, let's continue to open these wonderful packaging I ordered from Amazon. Basically, let's go ahead and start with this one right here, and the bubble wrap. Basically, see what we get. Grounding strap, that's good for computers. Two of these speakers. That's awesome. And some different types of cables here. Awesome. And the main beast right here. Two antennas. Some hard oil. The adapter. And of course, your instructions. Awesome. There you go, guys and girls. There's the unboxing of the awesome things I ordered from Amazon not too long ago. Basically, like this adapter here for my Bluetooth Wi-Fi card, basically, and also this wonderful, awesome wiring kit for the eMachine desktop computers, brand new motherboard. If you're curious on what it is, there it is. And if you're curious of this product, there's the name for you. It says brand new, and same with that. And that was also very surprising. They actually sent you two speakers. And that was kind of nice. But alright, you guys and girls also joining the new channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And have a nice day, and thank you so much for watching. Catch you later.